Hey guys, what's going on? A couple things before the big day gets started. I got a couple things in the mail and I just want to show you what I got. So, I got my Silhouette Cameo 3 in, so vinyl cutter, sick. So the stickers, shirts, everything's going to be made off of that. So I can't wait, be excited for that. And then surprise gift came in. So my mom got me this for Christmas. It finally came in. So I already took it out of the box. I just want to not ruin the surprise, but boom! D-Max hood scoop. So basically what we're gonna have to do with this is connect this to my hood. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to fiberglass it to the hood. I'm gonna have to cut the hood scoops spokes out. So as you can see, this is how it comes. It just basically comes off the mold. So you're gonna have to cut these open, basically using a Dremel and just opening those slits so more airflow can get through. And then I'm also gonna have to do the same thing on the hood. I'm gonna have to measure out these slits with the slits in the hood, and it's gonna be a whole to do, but this is gonna be sick. It's gonna look nasty, especially with the Gretty bumper that I have. It's gonna look nasty. So I'm super excited for that. I'm super excited for this. I've already started testing it. I've made a couple decals. So it looks good, works perfect. Excited. So be ready for the website for that. Be ready for this to be on the car. And then going on from there, today basically what we're going to be doing is pulling Matt's RB out of his 240. We have to go next door and grab the engine hoist from Angel. And then, yeah, get to Matt's and start pulling that freaking thing out. So it's pretty crazy, actually. It was super warm yesterday, so all the snow melted. But now it's pretty chilly. So we got a few things that we're doing today. We're actually going to show you how to pull out an RB-26. So Matt's out here. We're working on getting the actual engine hoist out.
Oh, it's happening.
Oh, it's happening. So we're taking apart the engine hoist, putting it in Matt's car so we can go and yeah, take his motor out. Thank you, Angel, again for always letting us use it. All right, so we're out at freaking Matt's house right now. That's what we're dealing with. It's gonna be a little crazy because I've never dealt with something like this.
We pulled your motor.
Yeah, we pulled my motor, but my motor is not this with custom mounts and everything. True. He's like, true. Then, also, Johnny's out here with his 240.
This tube right here?
Yeah.
That is my intake. Because that's the only thing after my throttle bodies.
Okay.
That's my intake plenum. Where this is my intake plenum.
Yeah.
Before the throttle bodies.
Yeah.
All my throttle bodies are right here. This has 6 throttle bodies right here.
Crazy.
So they call it, this is like my, I guess you call this the intake plenum. This is the intake runner.
Huh. Huh.
Weird, right?
Yeah. All right, guys.
This all going bye-bye.
So we're taking this out. What we need to do is, yeah, we're gonna have to take clearly this guy off, and then we're starting to do the wiring right now. So after the wiring, we'll see what the next step is to get this bad boy out of here. All right, guys. So mid step in, we have the fan off, the radiator off, the intercooler off. Most of the wiring here. Fenders are off on each side. Then we also have the lights off, turn signals off. Matt's just cutting wires because he don't give a shit.
It's just for turn signals.
No.
I put them in myself.
I put them in my... So now we're gonna start working on these lines over here, working on the turbo, undoing the exhaust manifolds.
Yep, taking off the power steering.
Taking off the power steering. And yeah.
Let's get the wiring harness out.
Yep. Just gotta pull the wiring harness back.
Yeah, we're gonna take it all the way up. But...
Yeah. Well, for now. But yeah, that, and then we're gonna have to lift the car up, get the exhaust down, the drive shaft down. So a little bit more work to do here. So this is what it looks like right now. Took off the turbo, the wastegate, exhaust manifold. So we've taken out a lot of stuff. Radiator. So there you go. Exhaust, intercooler, fans behind the intercooler. And then all this jazz. This is everything, man. We've taken off bash bar, intercooler piping, light. Okay, wastegate. Whole bunch of jazz. So yeah, so I mean, besides that, we're basically just gotta jack the car up, take the drive shaft, disconnect the drive shaft, and undo the motor mounts. So these guys right here, undo those, and yeah, we should be good. So Johnny's been working on his car. He lowered the car. Basically what he's doing now is putting these side skirts on, and right, that's basically what he's doing. So it's been pretty crazy. So I'm pretty stoked that he got a new 240. So yeah, so besides that, we got here, it was probably around like 50 degrees out. Within a couple hours, it is down to like 28, I think Jessica said. It is cold. So we've been watching a little, there's like a little bit of water on Matt's car, and it's frozen. Like it's turning into ice, so it's no joke.
No, yeah, it's frozen.
Oh, it's actually frozen now? Here, I'll show you. So yeah, so this was water, and now it's frozen. So that's crazy.
That motor.
All right, guys. So this is what we're looking at right now. So what are you working on, Matt?
Try to take all the wiring out. Taking it off the starter.
Oh, okay. So he's taking the wiring off the starter. But this whole, look at this. This is crazy. Me and Mark went and got some food, but when we came back, he actually cut all that out. But it's crazy how much freaking room is in this thing, dude.
Perfect.
Yeah, right? Well, that's what we're doing right now. So starter, is everything disconnected off the alternator?
Yep.
Yeah.
Everything's up there.
Sweet. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Almost.
So we're just gonna pull the engine and transmission out.
Okay, so yeah, that's why he cut this off. So we're actually gonna pull the engine and the transmission just straight out. And then, oh, okay. And then he was saying, I don't know if you guys heard him, but he's saying that we're gonna do a 2 front end. So it's probably gonna take all this out, hit those push welds and stuff, cut it up here, up there, and then tube it. So Mark's got a welder, so that's gonna be pretty sick. We just gotta get the piping and all that jazz. So that's what we're up to right now. All right, guys, so everything is pretty much finished. Now we're just raising it up. I'm gonna pull this turd out. Oh, hold up. No, he's good. He's just, that's just all.
It's just a
coolant.
Oil pan, barely holding on. That's why I wanted to lower the car. All right, go down with it slowly, so we're not putting touch.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never gone down with one of these.
Yeah, just go down slowly, one.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. Yeah, good enough. I'll be back. All right, go back. Go back. Go back. I can't move it. Not by myself. Watch out. Watch out, good.
Hold up.
You're dragging the truck.
Let's go.
Steer rack.
Yeah, steer rack.
All right, lower down. Check the touch off that. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Stop. This way a little bit. Alright, you're good. Alright, so what's gonna have to happen?
Nah, you gotta put it in here, eh?
No, take it. Don't put that up your lip. How are you gonna roll forward backwards with the face up to the roof?
We're taking it with us, bro. Mobile garage. It'd be the new channel's name, bro. Oh. Oh.
Hold on. Let me get on this side. Alright, now we're taking the jack.
What?
Jack,
Yeah. Hey, ready? Lower the jack.
Lower the jack?
Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do?
All up in yo guys' way. I'm trying to.
Hold on.
Alright, now what?
Go back in with the jack. All the way over here. You're not gonna pick it up. You're not gonna pick it up.
Here, I got this part. I got the hood. I got the hood.
Go.
We got it.
And let me put it on the
Right, move your back foot.
Now get the jack higher. Now get the jack right.
Hold on. Move your tire.
Rag me, somebody. Oh wait, that's the jacket. I can wipe my hands on this all day.
So you guys know, I am currently not using the stabilizer because it's freezing cold and the battery froze. So it basically just got drained and now it's dead. Yeah, move that extinguisher out in front of that. Yep. Just chilling, holding the hood up, you know, out here. Just holding the brake over here.
No. Ready, go. Stop. Alright, ready? No. Look, watch yourself. Pull it over.
Yeah, that shit's gonna drop on the floor, bro.
Yep.
There you go.
Ready?
Oh. I only hurt my hands a little bit.
Only a little? That's good.
I'm not crying.
Right now.
Ready then.
Boom! Woo! High fives around. Hey, the RB is out, guys. The RB is out. Mission accomplished.
Oh yeah. Oil on
This is a.
All right, any words?
Okay.
We're just gonna send it.
Yeah, I guess that's it.
Feels good.
It's out.
Like some sort of fucking thing out of Star Wars.
With the tires underneath it.
So that's how you do it. That's how you pull an RB-26 out. Yeah, so stay tuned. Got a little bit more footage coming up. So some good news coming up.
There shouldn't be a lot of tension around that.
All right, guys. So just want to give you guys an update on everything that's going on. The RB's pulled out, so we're all good on that. Matt's gonna start rebuilding that, making sure odds and ends are all fixed on it, and either he's gonna be looking at getting a new shell or just using the old shell. He hasn't really made a decision yet, but I'll keep you guys updated with all that. I do also want to let you guys know that I am starting to make the stickers and decals. They will be on the website soon. I just want to make sure I have a few of them before I actually, get it ready for you guys. So, but this is what they'd be looking like. I'm gonna be having some like with the Instagram and without the Instagram like that, and then also ones like this. I was just practicing with the purple vinyl, so obviously I'll have tons of different colors. So I mean, this is all the colors that we're looking at right now there, and then I have some more here. So those will be up very, very soon. And like I said, the website should be going good soon. So excited for it. Hope you guys are. So just enjoy your guys' day. Just remember to like, comment, subscribe. Check our Instagram out. Check our Facebook page out. It's going to be pretty important soon because a lot of the updates will be coming off of there. So thanks again, guys. I'll check you later. Peace.